Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday I made a video on this and I inadvertently had this on the screen and somebody asked how I did that. And I wasn't going to make a video because it wasn't that big a deal, but uh, they want to know. So I'm gonna use the letter S, capital S, and then I'm going to make it bigger. Let's make it a bolder. And then I'm going to take it and hit the plus key on the keyboard and just move it over. But then I'm going to make it white. Now we can't see it, so let's take, instead of using a black box, let's use a gray box. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and you can see the two. If I take those two S's, and I could use the blend over here, but I actually have gotten so used to going here and blending. And don't blend it too many times, just hit blend. And then I'm going to close that down. Now, if we take that first one and move it over, then the black kind of goes into like to an abyss when we put the black on it. And you could change it up so much, but I got grab the first blend and just move it out. And see, that way you can actually see the steps. Now, if we take this box and make it black, it gives it that effect. And you could, do this on any shape, anything. If we take all these and maybe you could skew it, make it look totally different, and pretty cool effect. I don't know when you would ever use that, but it's a lot better. Well, let's tell you what, let's make a duplicate. And I have not broken the blend apart yet, so I'm going to select it all. I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and let's blend it. Well, you know what? I think I'm going to have to start over. So let's just, let's break the blend apart, go up to Object, break the blend apart, get the white one. Well, still got to ungroup it. Oh, I grouped it. Let's get this white one and try to get that black one. There we go. Now let's separate these a little bit. I'm going to go in and hit T to put them equally on the top. And I'm going to blend them this time like 200 times. See, and you get a total different look, an even pattern where I really think this is pretty cool within itself. Anyway, I hope that answered that gentleman's question, and thank you for watching.